Ladies and gents, I know this has been a long set of notes, but congratulations. You have made it to the last part 6, where we are combining variables on both sides, the combining like terms and the distributive property. There is a lot going on. So we're only going to give you one problem for this. We know it's a lot, so we're only going to give you one problem for this. Remember, if you're having to do both on one side, you're not having to do that here, but if you have to do both on one side, distributive property first, then combine your like terms. Distributive property first, then combine your like terms, okay? Boom, river of love. No distributive property there, but I've got it over here. I need to distribute that 2. So it's 2 times n. 2n. What's 2 times a positive 10? Positive 20. So I need to make sure I do a plus 20. Boom, distributive property. Check. Then bring down everything else. I've got my 2 plus 5n plus 3. Okay. After the distributive property, just like we had before. And now I need to combine my like terms. What terms can I combine on this side? My constants. I can combine that 2 and that 3. What's 2 plus 3? 5. And I bring down my 5n. So I got 5n plus 5 equals. Is there anything to combine on that side? No, why not? Uh-oh, Josh is calling. He can wait. I'll tell him I was with you guys. No, I can't combine anything on that side. 20 doesn't have a variable, so I just have 2n plus 20 on that side. Boom! I combine my like terms on each side. Now I can go through and I can combine my like terms over the equation. I need to bring together my variables. So what variables can I combine here? My 5n and my 2n. Which one should we move? The smaller one. So we have to subtract 2n from both sides. I got to do the opposite of what I have. That's a positive 2n, so the opposite is a negative 2n on both sides. What's 5n minus 2n? 3n. I bring down my plus 5 equals, those cancel, 20. Boom! Brought together my variables over the equal sign. Now, it looks like my y equals mx plus b. Now I go through and do my sad and meg. Protect my coefficient and my variable. How do I get rid of that positive 5? Subtract it on both sides. Bring down my 3n. 20 minus 5 is 15. Division and multiplication. Side by side means multiply. The inverse, the opposite is to divide both sides by 3. So we get that n is equal to 5. That's a lot, guys. That's a lot. Make sure you're getting all this written down in Desmos or on a piece of paper. That works too for me. So again, we tell our calculator that n is equal to 5 if we want to check. And each side of the equation separate. So first I have 2 plus 5n plus 3 on one side. And then on the other side, I have 2 parentheses, n plus 10, close my parentheses. And I see on both sides that it equals 30. So because my sides are the same, that means we've got the right answer. Again, I know this was a lot. Thank you guys for bearing with me and getting through this. Get some good practice in. Let us know if you need anything, and good luck on your formative and summative.